Hey kids, welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to draw something really fun and colorful, a staircase. Are you ready?
Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub.
Let's grab our black marker and start drawing. First, let's draw the side wall of our staircase. Make a long slanted line up and another one down. Great job! Now let's draw a railing on top, nice and smooth. Perfect! Do the same for the other side of the staircase.
La da 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 dee.
That's looking great already. Now it's time to draw the steps. Start from the bottom and draw straight lines up to make each step. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Awesome work, everyone! Our drawing is complete. Now let's make the outline bold and sharp to make the artwork really pop. Wow! Doesn't it look amazing?
Yay!
Now it's time to color. We're going to use rainbow colors. Let's start. Red color.
Wow!
Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color.
La da 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 dee.
Beautiful. That looks so bright and cheerful. Wow, kids, you did an amazing job today. Your staircase looks super colorful and creative. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you next time on Toddlers Art Hub.
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.